If you are looking for an amazing small power bank that packs a ton of power, you're absolutely going to love this one. This is exactly what it looks like right over here. This is by INIU. So this is what it looks like right over here. Super simple to get this going right over here. Right off the bat, it's going to show you how much battery you have. I love that digitally. Usually when you get these power banks, they have the little bars, and you don't really know how much time, but you know you have this right over here. You're gonna get the 2 USB-Cs over here and then the 1 USB. So that is a bonus here. I like that because most of these companies are coming out with USB-C stuff. You could use this to charge laptops, other devices, iPads, and then this right here is kind of a handle, but it is also the charger for this. So you don't have to worry about losing the charger. You're literally just gonna put this in right over here, and then you just plug it into an outlet, or if you have a charger with this. So if you're looking for a great power bank that's mini, super easy to travel with, light, and charges your devices really, really quick, definitely check this out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.